Wave. Chapter number 14, Physics, Chapter Wave. Past year need trends. In this, there is a investigation report. Target exam need predicted questions 1 to 2, and critical concepts are characteristic equation, stationary wave, organ pipe, and Doppler effect. These four concepts are important. First, stationary wave, organ pipe, Doppler effect. इसके बाद wave and its classification. What is wave and its classification? A wave is a disturbance of a field in which a physical attribute oscillate repeatedly at each point or propagate from each point to neighbor point or seem to move through space. Mechanical wave. What is mechanical wave? Mechanical wave are the wave that requires material medium for their propagation. I call it mechanical wave. Now, what are the example? Sound wave, wave on string and spring. Next, what are the characteristics of medium to propagate wave? The characteristics or mediums are: medium should possess elasticity, inertia, low resistance. Low resistance means there should be electricity, inertia as well as low resistance. Then non-mechanical wave. What is non-mechanical wave? Non-mechanical wave are the waves that do not require a medium for the transfer of their energy to occur. These are the waves that can transfer energy even in vacuum. They propagate due to variation of the electric and magnetic fields. Electromagnetic waves are the only type of non-mechanical waves. They can travel through the vacuum of space. Thereafter, examples are light wave, X-rays, gamma rays, radio waves. Next, on the basis of energy propagation के basis पे क्या होता है? Progressive wave move energy from one place to another. In a progressive wave, the wave front moves through the medium. A wave that propagates energy from a point in an infinite medium and never returns to that point is called a progressive wave. उसके बाद this wave all the particle in this wave all the particle of the medium execute SHM with same amplitude and same frequency. Next, changes in changes in pressure and density occur at all points of the medium. All the particle of the medium across the mean point position once in one time period. Average energy occur one time period is equal to the sum of kinetic energy or potential energy. Waves may be one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional according to they propagate energy. Examples are: first, transverse wave along a string are a one dimensional, and ripples on water surface are two dimensional. Sound waves proceeding radially from a point source are three dimensional. Stationary wave. In physics, a standing wave, also known as a stationary wave, is a wave which oscillates in time but whose peak amplitude profile does not move in space. The peak amplitude of the wave oscillation. Then stationary wave. In physics, a standing wave, also known as stationary wave, is a wire which oscillates in time but whose peak amplitude profile does not move in space. The peak amplitude of the wave oscillation at any point in space is constant with time, and the oscillations of different points throughout the wave are in phase. On the basis of variation of particles. Transverse wave. In a transverse wave, the particles of the medium vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Example: wave in strings. A light wave are transverse electromagnetic non-mechanical waves. It travels in a form of crest and troughs. These waves can propagate only in solid and on the surface of water. These waves can be represented by y is equals to a sin omega t plus minus kx, z is equals to a sin omega t plus minus kx, z is equals to a sin omega t plus minus ky, y is equals to a sin omega t plus minus kz. These waves can be polarized. Longitudinal wave. A longitudinal wave, the particle of the medium vibrate in the direction of propagation of the wave. These are also known as pressure or compression wave. The direction of propagation of wave. Example are sound wave in air. Next, travel in form of compression and rarefaction. They can be produced in solid, liquid and gases. Pressure and density vary. Sound wave are longitudinal mechanical wave. These wave can be represented by delta x a sin omega t plus minus kx. This wave cannot be polarized. A mechanical wave may be transverse or longitudinal. A non-mechanical wave is always transverse. In case of harmonic wave, sound wave, the function is either sine or cos. Equation of progressive harmonic wave or equation of sound wave: y is equals to a sin omega t plus minus kx plus sine for a wave traveling along negative x direction, minus sign for wave traveling along positive x direction, where y is displacement of particle after a time t from mean position, x is displacement of wave, y is amplitude, omega is angular frequency or angular velocity. Okay, omega is equals to 2 pi by t is equals to 2 pi n. K is the propagation of constant. Yes, k is equals to 2 pi by lambda. Number of wave accommodated in a unit distance is called wave number. What is wave number? This is wave number. It is equal to 1 by lambda. Yes, inverse of lambda is wave number. And change in phase unit. Advancement in case of harmonic wave, okay, is called propagation constant k. K is equals to 2 pi by lambda is equals to omega by v, where v is a wave velocity. The sound wave is also represented as y, that is y is equals to a sin k omega by k t plus minus x. Y is equals to a sin k vt plus minus x. Y is equals to a sin 2 pi 1 by t plus minus plus x by lambda. Okay, the equation of sound wave can also be taken as y is equals to a sin and omega t minus plus kx plus phi depending on the initial phase at the origin. Differential equation of wave propagation is d square by y by dt square plus v square d square y by dx square is equals to 0. Any solution of this equation, that is y is equals to f x t, represent wave pulse equation. The solution may be in form of y is equals to a x plus vt का whole square, y is equals to a under root x minus vt, and y is equals to a log x plus vt. But these are not useful to represent wave pulse. The function should be continuous and infinite. Phase of harmonic wave. These wave Phase gives the state of vibrating particle at any instant of the time and regard to its position and direction of motion. Phase is the angular phase is the angular displacement from its mean position. Phase is equals to omega t plus minus kx. If phase is constant, then shape of wave remains constant. Path difference is the difference of the distance transferred by two vibrating particles. Phase difference between two points on a wave is equals to 2 pi by lambda, that is path difference. Okay, phase difference is the path difference. Next, delta phi is equals to 2 pi by lambda and into delta x. Time difference is the difference of time taken by the vibrating particle in completing one vibration. Delta phi is equals to 2 pi by t into time difference. Time difference is equals to t by lambda into path difference. If two sources emit wave of frequency n1 and n2 simultaneously, then the phase difference between these two wave after a time delta t is given by delta phi is equals to omega 2 minus omega 1 into delta t is equals to 2 pi n2 minus n1 into delta t. Important. Right after, wave velocity. Wave velocity is what? It is the displacement. It is a displacement covered by the wave under displacement covered by the wave. Okay. Displacement covered by the wave. Okay, wave velocity is what? The displacement covered by the wave per unit time. Wave velocity v is equals to n lambda, or is also equals to lambda by t, and it is also equals to omega by k. Okay, and wave velocity is constant as it does not depend on time. हाँ, wave velocity की स्पीड होती है constant होती है और does not depend on time. फिर particle velocity. When a wave propagate through a medium, the velocity of the particle in SHM is called particle velocity. V is equals to omega under root a square minus y square, or V is equals to omega a cos omega t, omega a cos omega t, and at y is equal to 0, V is maximum and y max is equals to plus minus omega a. Yes, y जब 0 होगा तब V max होगा, और at y is equals to plus minus a, V is minimum and V is minimum at 0. Okay, y at plus minus a, V is minimum, and V minimum कब होगा? जब 0, मीन्स V minimum होगा तो V 0 होगा. पार्टिकल वेलोसिटी वेरीज विथ टाइम, टाइम के साथ वेरी होता है. Train your brain. For a traveling harmonic wave, y is equals to 2.2 cos 10 t minus 0.0080 x plus 0.18, where x and y are in centimeter and t is in second. What is the phase difference between 2 points separated by first a distance of 0.5, okay, and second time gap of 0.5 second. Solution. Temperature. Compare the given equation with standard form. First, y is equals to r cos omega t minus kx plus phi naught. We find r is equals to 2 centimeter and omega is equals to 10 rad per second. Okay, and k is equal to 0.0080 centimeter inverse, and phi naught is equals to 0.18 rad, and First, when delta x is equals to 0.5, that is 50 centimeter, then delta phi is equals to 2 pi by lambda into delta phi. Yes, important. That is equals to 0.0080 into 50, and after that is delta phi is equals to 0.4 rad. Second, when delta t is equals to 0.5 second, okay, then delta phi is equals to 2 pi by t into delta t, that is omega delta t is equals to 10 into 0.5, okay, is equals to 5 rad. Keynote: in case of wave traveling along positive x direction axis, particle velocity at a given position at a time is equal to negative of the product of wave velocity and slope of the shape curve at that point, that is v particle is equal to minus of wave, that is dy by dx. In case of wave traveling along negative axis, that is x-axis, then particle velocity at a wave position and time is equals to the product of wave velocity and slope of the shape curve at that point, that is wave particle is equals to velocity of wave particle is equals to velocity of wave by dy by dx. Okay, that after superposition of wave, इसमें क्या आएगा? प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ वेव. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन में बी अप्लाइड टू वेव वेन एवर टू और मोर वेव ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू द सेम मीडियम एट द सेम टाइम. हाँ, द वेव पास थ्रू ईच अदर विदाउट बीइंग डिस्टर्ब, बिना कोई डिस्टर्ब के. द नेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द मीडियम एट एनी पॉइंट इन स्पेस और टाइम इज सिंपली the sum of the individual wave displacement. Okay, this is true of wave. Okay, this is true of waves which are finite in length, wave pulses, or which are continuous sine wave. Y is equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equals to yn. The resultant amplitude A is equals to a1 plus a2 plus a3, that is an. This law is applicable for all wave इसका like light wave, sound wave, etc, but do not applicable to large amplitude wave like shock wave, laser wave. ओके, शॉक वेव और लेज़र वेव के लिए एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. सिर्फ किसके लिए है? लाइट वेव, साउंड वेव के लिए. ओके, फिनोमिना arising due to the superposition of wave, interference, stationary wave, beats and Lissajous figure.